Okay, guys, I'm back for next trip. That step is uh, we are creating a project. Django project. So far, we had installed the virtual environment and Django framework install everything. Now the next step is we are creating that like a principal. The principal is a bond, is bond, right? So we can the project name we can call as a principal, right? So what is the command for this? What is the command for this? And uh, with the virtual shield active, I will create the powerful principal named like college. Okay, that is nothing but it here we are creating a college is a project. College is a project. Just imagine the college is just like principal of your college, principal of a college, right? So that command will do this. I'll write over in the notes as well. So this is the command. So Django, we are instructing to the Django, this is the command to create a start project with the name of the college. This is the college project name. We are creating a first one is the project name. And after that, better to give the after space, give a dot. Give a dot. I don't want to install multiple folder. That's why I want to install the same folder, all the things. So Django, and I'm writing over here, same thing. I'm copying and pasting over here and just click on enter. So it will automatically, you can see this, it will automatically create college. It will automatically create college. That is the college is our project name, right? So, okay, inside of this mm, college building live, all major decisions are there. What are the decision? There are the settings are there. There are routers are there. URL is nothing but routers. And there is a security features also there. And there is a registrations also there. Everything is don't disturb any code here. The Django will take care of all the frameworks and all the files. It will take care of anything. Don't touch wherever it is required. Just touch and you can update on this. And it is just like a principal chamber. This completely called as a principal chamber. College is nothing but principal chamber, right? So after this, okay, we are installed Django. Now what I'm going to do, I want to check, I want to check whether my Django is installed correct, correct or not. Okay. For that, we want to check with the one of the command that is, see this, when we are creating a project, will be create one, this is the college folder because we are given the college name, right? That's why it is going to create. And next one is important one is the manage.py. This both one will create when we are creating a project, these two things. Okay. And okay, I hope you understood. Next one, I want to run this, whether I want to check, see this, I already written here, whether my Django is installed correctly or not, how to check. So go to the one of the last command, Python space manage.py dot run server. This is the command. I'm copying this and pasting in this space. This is the command. So when I'm clicking on run, it's automatically give one of the AI. This is IP address, the server IP address. So I want to copy this address, and I have already one of the browser in there inbuilt. So I'm opening the browser, launch instant. So one sec. See this. This is my browser. Copying and paste over here. Just see the, if you see this rocket, you are ready to go at Chandrayaan, right? Chandrayaan 3. Say that you can see the message also. The installation worked successfully and congratulations. You will get this message after creating your Django project, okay? And I'm going to stop my survey and because I want to create app also. How to stop? And you can see the down. One of this. 1 minute. Is that any instructions are there? No instructions are there. So if I want to stop, that is the command stop server. Stop server. There is a command ctrl plus c. ctl plus c. This is the command. So just click on that. Don't write. This is the command. This is not a command. This is the keywords, right? So I'm clicking on Control C. It automatically stop. So I'm closing this one. Browser. Meanwhile. So okay, this is done. Now second step. We have created a project, and we are created just like we are just like created a principal chamber, college principal chamber. Okay, so oh, yes, up to here we are good to go, and we are continue with the same thing with the next step.